What's tea? It's your girl B, back again with another video. If you're new here, my name is Bianca and welcome to my channel. Happy New Year, everyone. So excited to see you guys. And I'm so glad everyone who's watching was able to make it through 2020. It was a crazy year, but 2021 is about to be better. So with it being the new year, of course, why would I not try and manifest my goals, my aspirations, whatever you want to call them. And I actually did this last year. So for 2020, I made a vision board. I will link down the video below when I decorated my work cubicle. This was right before COVID happened. And I have my vision board behind me. I saw it every day. It was amazing for the first month that I got to enjoy it. And then COVID happened. I'm blessed to still be able to, I'm blessed to
Hallelujah, hallelujah, Mwah. Love you, Jesus.
I'm blessed to still be able to work from home. However, my vision board was at work and I'm like, what the hell? But with that aside, I am glad that most of the stuff on my vision board did come to fruition. So shout out to me. So for this year, I'm gonna be doing things a little bit differently. My vision board is actually gonna be digital. I'm gonna make one for my computer backdrop and I'm also gonna make one for my cell phone since it's a bad habit, but I look at my phone way too much. So one thing that'll keep me on track is having my vision board right on my screen. So I'm like, oh, I need to focus on this today and get off Instagram. So for all of you guys who are watching, I'm gonna teach you how to do that today. And I don't wanna keep you guys waiting, so let's get started. If you're not sure what a vision board is, you might find yourself asking, what is a vision board? Well, a vision board is a concrete representation of your desires and aspirations for a compelling life. It is a collage of images and words that you should display in a prominent place to remind you why you do what you do every day. Now that you're convinced about the power of a vision board, how do you go about making one? Fortunately for you, it's a quite simple process that anyone can follow, even if you don't have that much design experience. First, we'll start with how to pick the right images and quotes. There's a couple of things that I focus on when I'm doing my vision board, but the two main things that's every single time I make a vision board is faith, health, and wealth, because I believe that all of my blessings come from him. Your girl wants to be healthy and your girl wants to be wealthy. So, I mean, what more is there to say? So those three things are my top. There's definitely other things that I'd love to do, like travel, maybe throwing a little ring in there, you know? I mean, we just throwing some things out there. I will personally not share my vision board with you all because not everybody is for you, and you just gotta keep some things private. I mean, you can't just be giving the world all your business. So for today's purposes, we're just gonna be making just a random, things I like basically. And I'm gonna show you guys how to put that on a board cohesively, make it look all aesthetic and shit. The most effective vision board needs to reflect the future life that you want. Everything you put on your board should be an end result to something that you're aiming for. And luckily for you, the internet has an abundant supply of potentially perfect pictures. A popular site that many of us use is Pinterest. You can either be super specific while looking for your images, or you can be broad. If there isn't a specific picture that shows an end result of something, you can always just add the pictures that show the steps to get there. For example, you may have a main picture of somewhere tropical that you want to go. And then you can later add another picture that shows the amount of money you need to take that specific trip. So there's tons of videos on YouTube that teach us how to do vision boards and why we do them and how to make them actually really work. I mean, I don't feel like there's any way to actually make it really work. I feel like what you put in is what you get out. So if this is something that you really want, you really see yourself achieving this, then I do believe that you can work towards it to make that happen. Next, we'll be talking about how to position all of your images. Once you gather everything you need, you're going to want to put them all together. There's many free ways you can do this, and one popular way is using Canva. Canva is ultimately free, but there are options to upgrade and purchase things while using the site if you choose to. There's no right or wrong way to organize your vision board, and that's what I love about it. It's specifically tailored to you. The way you choose to design your vision board will most likely reflect the type of person that you are. So if you're more of the free-spirited, you may find your board looking a little bit more spontaneous, have random placements of things, etc. However, if you're more detail-oriented like myself, the perfectionist side starts to show, and your board may look very neat and organized. You may even go to the extent to color coordinate your board, and I've done that before. Both ways are totally fine. Your thoughts can be very useful when making a vision board, but so can your feelings. So I suggest that you just let your feelings guide you. And as with most things in life, you will get what you put in. So if you believe in the law of attraction, a vision board will help you to manifest it. Well, that's all I have for you today. I hope you guys put all of these thoughts and all of these ideas and all of this creative juices into your own vision board. I do believe that writing things down or even putting them in a place and seeing it daily and working towards it, you do achieve those things. So I hope that you all go out and make a 2021 vision board if you haven't already, and promise yourself, hold yourself accountable to work towards those things to get them done. If you made it this far, don't forget to hit that subscribe button because it's free. Of course, go binge watch all of my other videos. Your girl's trying to get her watch hours up, you know. But thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.